Welcome back to LGS Cars. Today we're diving into the rebirth of an American classic. The 2026 Chevrolet Malibu has arrived, combining timeless sedan elegance with next-generation technology, electrified performance, and premium comfort. For decades, the Malibu has represented Chevrolet's balance of style, value, and practicality. Now in 2026, it takes a bold leap forward, proving that the midsize sedan still has a strong place in a world dominated by SUVs. Exterior design, modern elegance with a sporty edge. The Chevrolet Malibu 2026 debuts with a completely refreshed exterior. At the front, a low-slung grille with chrome and black accents is flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, giving the car a futuristic yet refined appearance. The side profile has been sculpted for aerodynamics, with sleek character lines running the length of the body. A sloping fastback-inspired roofline adds a sporty touch, while wheel options range from 17 to 20 inches, depending on the trim. At the rear, the Malibu 2026 embraces a wide, confident stance, with LED taillights featuring a dynamic light signature and a clean bumper design that enhances its upscale look. Interior, technology meets comfort. Step inside, and the 2026 Malibu feels more like a premium lounge than a family sedan. Chevrolet has elevated the interior with soft-touch materials, leather-trimmed seating, and customizable ambient lighting. At the center, a 13-inch floating infotainment screen integrates seamlessly with a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air updates. The cabin is designed with passengers in mind. Rear legroom has been increased, seats are ergonomically contoured for long drives, and higher trims offer ventilated and heated front seats with memory functions. Powertrain options, efficiency, and performance. Chevrolet equips the Malibu 2026 with a variety of modern powertrains to appeal to different drivers. 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with mild hybrid tech for efficiency, 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering sporty performance for enthusiasts, plug-in hybrid, PHEV, capable of up to 70 kilometers of all-electric driving, perfect for daily commutes. Rumors also suggest a fully electric Malibu EV could arrive later in the lineup. Paired with either a CVT or 8-speed automatic transmission, the Malibu offers smooth and refined driving dynamics, while adaptive suspension provides a balance of comfort and agility. Safety and driver assistance, smart confidence. The 2026 Malibu comes standard with Chevrolet's Safety Assist Suite, including forward collision alert with automatic emergency braking lane, keep assist with lane departure, warning adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, and blind zone monitoring 360-degree HD surround vision. A new hands-free driving system, similar to GM's Super Cruise, is expected to be available on higher trims, making the Malibu one of the most advanced sedans in its class. Final verdict: reinventing the sedan for a new era. In 2026, the Chevrolet Malibu proves that sedans are far from obsolete. With its elegant design, advanced technology, efficient hybrid powertrains, and premium interior, it stands as a modern alternative to SUVs while keeping the spirit of a classic American sedan alive. For families, professionals, or anyone who values a sleek and connected driving experience, the 2026 Malibu is more than just transportation. It's a statement that sedans can still shine in the future of mobility.